Get out of the vehicle! Driver, get out of the vehicle!
111, Culver Parkway stop.
Copy, Culver Parkway. You got any units in Delta 220?
Can you see anybody in the vehicle?
Which lane is it in?
Step out of the vehicle, ma'am! Face away from me! Face away from me!
We're not after you, you're a convict.
Face away from me!
I already called 911. I haven't
Face away from me! You see anybody else in the vehicle? We're about to go ahead.
Copy, Delta 111. Can you give an update?
I have seizures. I'm going to the hospital.
You got cover?
Shouldn't be followed without. Oh my gosh, look, you got hired. Should I go to your car or what? I have a handicap, sir. I'm going to the hospital, sir. I'm sorry. I can walk to your car. You're the one.
Any of the units with the vehicle? Can we get an update?
I haven't.
Beach 22, we're securing one now. Vehicle's clear.
Vehicle's clear. Roll over on your side.
Copy, securing one now. Vehicle's clear.
Take your other leg up to your chest.
I can't, honey. I'm sorry. I have an injury. Okay? I have seizures. I have a hard time standing up. I called EMS.
Well, we're right here behind you.
I'm sorry. I'm not after you, okay?
Well, we proceeded and get...
I have an emergency health card in my purse. I have seizures. Okay, I'm heading to the hospital.
1, 2, 3.
Sorry, I'm very heavy right now.
All right. Come back here to my vehicle.
Okay.
Right there at the front.
Yeah. Okay.
You can sit on my hood.
I can't sit. I can't sit on vehicles. I have seizures. I have a disability, okay?
Okay, right now you're under arrest.
I shouldn't be. I should
You
be going
are
to the
definitely under
hospital
arrest.
then.
Okay, we'll get you checked out at the hospital. Have a seat on the curb then.
I can't sit. Can I just? I'll sit on
Nope,
your vehicle.
you're going to have a seat.
I can't sit like
Have a
that. I'll
seat.
sit on your vehicle. I see what you're saying.
Have a seat.
I'll try to.
Want to let him clear the channel?
Looks like Billy Primary.
All right, Rebecca, I'm Deputy First Class Kyle Gaddy with the Flagler County Sheriff's Office, okay? Right now you are detained and in handcuffs and not free to leave.
Well, right, yeah.
So you do have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to have an attorney present.
I'm a professional in the legal system.
Okay,
health system.
be quiet. You have the right to have an attorney present during before any questioning.
Right, yeah.
Yes.
No, I have a seizure disorder.
Okay.
I was an MBA in 2010.
Okay, I need you to
I was
listen.
heading back from the hospital.
Okay, that's fine, but you need to listen to me.
I climbed down a one-way street, pulled
Okay.
over, and the girl became violent, so I went ahead and told her I was going to the hospital.
All right, I need you to listen. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to have an attorney present during or before any questioning. If you cannot appoint an attorney, one may be appointed to represent you. At any time, you can decide not to answer any questions or make any statements. Do you understand that?
I have a seizure disorder.
Okay, right now you're being placed under arrest for fleeing and eluding a law enforcement
That's
officer.
not true.
Failure to comply with lawful order.
I don't want to hear what you have to
reckless
say.
driving.
I'm sorry. You
Okay.
seem really smart. That's not it. That's absolutely false.
All right.
You all are recklessly driving.
You're getting several
You're hitting
felonies.
my credit.
Do you understand that?
No, I'm not. Yeah, no.
Okay.
I'm a safe driver. I had my seatbelt on.
Well, we'll see about that.
There was all kinds of people with their lights off around the beach.
I believe Volusia County is going to be pressing charges on you. I believe Ormond Beach Police is going to be pressing charges.
They won't be.
Flagler County is definitely pressing charges.
You're not hired.
And I don't know about Flagler Beach if they're pressing
Will
charges.
you make sure that I have my ID? My wallet's in the vehicle.
Okay, I'm not worried about that.
I want
All
you to be able to see
So
my
here's what's going to happen. EMS is going to come check you out.
Okay.
If they clear you, you're going to jail. You understand that?
Well, I know I have. I have
you're going to jail.
medications. No, I'm disabled.
Oh, we're going
No,
to
I'm
find out
not.
then. Do you have any
Yeah.
questions about that?
No, I know I'm
Okay.
disabled. I'm not
Your
going
vehicle's
to jail.
gonna be
We know
towed.
that jail's making my condition worse.
I'm sorry to hear that.
Yeah, same thing with you all.
Do you have any questions?
You kind of strike me all as like kind of gang members.
Crazy.
Yeah, I do.
Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, then you can be quiet now then.
I just want to check my wallet.
I'll submit your license for review by the state since apparently you have seizures while you drive.
No, I didn't. Actually, I took my emergency meds. I wasn't sure. I felt like I was going to have one.
Okay.
And took my meds and I did it.
Not that you'd be driving like that for everybody's safety.
No, I think you want my car. I think it's.
Oh no, the car. This car?
Yeah, we know what cops do. They.
This car is reported stolen.
No, it isn't. It's
out of Seminole County.
It's a company car.
So you're also getting charged with grand theft of a motor vehicle. Okay.
That's all she can do.
Do you have any questions?
I'll try it. Let me get my feet. Let's get shoes on. I can't stand up and get my foot cut, and then I can't walk. How would you like? Can I put my shoe on?
Yeah, go for it.
Okay.
Got it?
I think so.
1, 2.
Do you want me to get? I don't think you're gonna be able to do it alone. I think because of my shoulder and my hip injury.
3.
I'm trying to stand up.
There
Sorry.
you go.
Did you drop it? There you go. Oh, there's my wallet.
Yeah, I'm aware.
Okay.
You're not the first person I've taken to jail. That's
he's a
very safe
retired
of you.
law
Watch your head when
enforcement.
you stick your head in. All right? Try and use up as much room back there as you need to.
Oh my gosh, can't fit my knee behind the chair. Can the chair go forward?
Nope, that's a metal seat.
I don't think I'm gonna be able to fit in. I'm too big. I'm trying to get my knee through. My knee's not going through. If you want to get a flashlight and look, I'm not trying to give you a hard time. That would be what it was like if I got in. Especially with as fast as you guys drive.
What if you just sat down and then swung your legs in?
Like sideways?
Yeah.
I really can't.
No, like if you came out, like kind of get out of the car?
I just got over a major hip injury with
I understand
the seizure,
that.
so I
Try
don't wanna,
taking your feet out.
we know
Oh, don't fall over on it. Now
Sorry.
stick your
And then
butt in
now sit in,
first.
And then swing your feet in.
Butt first?
I've done that.
You know what I'm
I see what you're saying. Okay, so kind of go sideways.
Yeah, like that. Yep.
Butt first.
It's not fitting. I'm not going to be able to do that, but I'll try. You're going to force me to have a bigger car that I can stick my butt in.
We have very limited options on vehicles, so we'll see if we
It's
can
not safe then. It's not a safe drive, so.
No, it's not safe. Running from the cops.
No, nobody's running from you. I had to go to the hospital. It's nothing personal. I'll try the other way. There's got to be a car that I can fit into. I just, you know, I have a health condition.
Yeah, it's extra.
Nobody was evading you.
What hospital are you trying to go to?
Of the one over by Hilton Garden Inn, I have a
There's no hospital over there.
Yeah, there's the Advent Health Hospital.
Oh, this one? That's way back there.
It's actually in Palm Coast.
Yeah, I'm aware. That's
I'm
off
sure
Palm
there's
Coast.
another one.
There's one at State Road 100. There's only one hospital in the whole county, so I kind of know where it is. It's off State Road 100
Okay.
at Hospital Drive down there.
Town Center.
Yeah, we're on Palm Coast Parkway. We're about 5 miles past that.
Okay. It's one of the in-system cars, ID cards. Funny that you pulled that out.
Do you work for CarMax?
I have. Our company has a contract with them.
Who's your company?
I'd rather not say. That's an ID connected with law enforcement because of the problems with law enforcement, EMS,
Yeah, a lot of problems with
weapons
this.
of mass destruction. all
Gotcha.
that. I
I don't think we got none of those.
Well, I worked with people